good day everyone. My name is Sheelaa. I'm 24 this year and I study in Traxel and currently I'm working with Malaysia Airlines. I started my studies when I was 2017 and I take a diploma in international travel industry. So in 2 years time then I got it Malaysia Airlines interview and I passed. I'm glad that I'm studying in Intra-Excel because the way they mold us over here it's a bit different than outsiders. They will give you a confidence to talk to people and about the airline knowledge as well. Okay, besides that, I'm flying with Malaysia Airlines for past 5 years, and what's unique about it is in Intra-Excel they teach us abbreviations, airline knowledge ahead. So when I joined in a Malaysia Airlines, it's a bit easier for me to understand more. So in my batch goals, I'm a bit one step ahead from them. So when it's easier when you study in the airline schools, especially in Excel. So they will train you in all aspects. Alright, about the flying, yes, that's it. But I'll just give a small reminder: if you want your life to be more colorful, then join Traxel.